welcome back to my channel. So today has been a very trying day. I have been up all day already and I am pretty much exhausted. It's like been one of 2 days that I have off this week, and my schedule has been so over the moon crazy that I actually had like 9 boxes to do unboxings for. So 3 of them I think I'm going to stick together, only because they're all $25 beauty boxes and one of them is a brand new box. But today I'm going to do Lunarly for you. Lunarly is a monthly subscription box that costs $40 a month, and every other month you get a plant, and subsequent months you get a candle. This is a candle month. So yeah, I love their candles though. So let's just jump into this one. Now, I do love getting my Lunarly box. It's one of my favorite boxes to get. So let me pull out the candle. I don't need this big thing that it's in, but I do want to go ahead and pull it out. So this is for the month of October, and the candle that I have is just gorgeous. It smells straight up of like campfire and pumpkin. I don't even know the notes to even spice. I love it so much. So let's stick our candle there. It's well worth the $40 just the candle, and jump into the box. So the card that I got was for the blue moon. I didn't even know we had a blue moon this month, but okay, we'll go with that. So the candle has coffee, cinnamon, and cardamom. Oh, it's not pumpkin, it's cinnamon. Coffee. Coffee. It's called Surrender and Embrace Candle. And coffee. Okay? And then it tells us the rest of the items. So let's set this aside. So this is a calming wellness spray. I guess this is like a room spray. I'm not really sure if you put it on it. Use this spray in your environment. So it's like more of an aroma slash like room sprays. Like, and it's very citrusy, and it says it has lemon, tangerine, and yin yang, which, trust me, it does smell of lemon and tangerine. So I do like that. The next item is the stone. Ooh, it's a red jasper, but it's not been tumbled, so it's just raw. And I do like having a raw red jasper. I have so many shiny and pretty red jaspers that it's just really nice to have one not tumbled. The next item. Ooh, it's a tiger's eye pendulum, and it looks like this. So it's an actual like yes no pendulum with the chakras on it. That's neat. And the last item in here is a red velvet pendulum mat. Oh, look at that. That is really nice and well done. I like that. So as you can tell, your big hit is going to be your candle or your plant. These are just like small off little items for you to have around your house. I don't want to put the spray back in this box because I want to use it. Let me set that aside. So what you're spending most of your money on is the candle or the plant. I do like that. This is my only plant box or candle box. But I do enjoy getting them. I have tons of them sitting everywhere. Like here's the one for August. And I just love them. I used to have them sit right behind me, but I don't think I have any behind me right now. So, never had a coffee one though. Alright, that is my Lunarly for the month of October, and if this box interests you, links are in the description. Just ignore the fact that I've been a hot mess today, and that my videos are all very, very short, because I'm trying to kind of rush them and get them all done. I'm so sorry, though. Next month, I'm hoping to be better. I'd be more caught up, but I went camping in September for like a week, and I thought I'd do them while I was camping, and we didn't really have much of an internet, so I kind of just spent the entire week perusing like and doing cross-stitching on my computer. And I'm sorry, but I really enjoyed it. I did do Animal Crossing one night while I was out there, but I didn't have any internet, and I enjoyed the campfire and ate foods off of the campfire. So I'm a little behind on my unboxings, and then we're trying to buy a house. So trying to get everything, corresponding together and interlinked to get the finances to buy the house, and then the overwhelming feeling of having to pack everything and move it and separate from everybody else that I live with is just, it's daunting. It's daunting. So, that is what's been going on, and I think that was a lot of share moment there for us. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe and like and do all that fun stuff. I will promise to have some gaming and stuff go up soon, hopefully. And as always, I heart your face, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.